Guys, today I'll show you how to replace touch and display MIA1. So at first I will open the SIM ejector line. I will open SIM ejector line and I will open back cover, back panel. Open back panel and safely remove and I will open the display remote and battery remote and logic motherboard remote and separate battery, and I simply remove battery, cutting this gum and remove battery. Cutting this gum all side and remove battery. All side cutting gum. And cutting this gum all side. Finally remove battery, safely remove battery, and I will open the motherboard ejector remote and cleaning this board. I will open the display remote and I will open the motherboard ejector remote, and I finally separated battery and motherboard, and I soldering use air hot gun, also soldering use hot gun and remove display. Cutting this gum all side. Cutting this gum. And finally separate display, touch and display adjust. And I will set up a new touch and display. At partially cleaning this frame. And set up a new touch and display. I use gum all side and plug in this display remote. And touch remote. Finally I plug in display remote and set up a new touch and display. And I plug in a remote, display remote, and motherboard logical remote, and battery setup this phone now. And finally I plug in the battery and press power button and check my touch and display. Finally plug in the back cover. And now my touch and display fully replaced, completed, and it's working. So viewers, thank you, bye bye.